On the 27th of February, a seismic disturbance of considerable magnitude rocked the southeastern region of Turkey, leading to the collapse of certain edifices, as declared by the Turkish authorities. This latest earthquake occurrence represents the most recent in a series of devastating quakes that have shaken the southern section of Turkey, as well as northwestern Syria, in recent times. The tremor was felt within the vicinity of Malatya, along with other surrounding provinces, such as Kahramanmaraş and Gaziantep. Inhabitants residing within temporary camps, who were previously displaced by the earlier quakes, claim to have also felt the impact of the event. At a news conference, local authorities informed that search and rescue teams had been dispatched to a total of 5 buildings. According to the United Nations, at least 1.5 million individuals have been rendered homeless in the southern portion of Turkey, with over 500,000 houses requiring reconstruction efforts. Following the recent seismic activity, the local government has issued a warning to the populace, stating that they should refrain from entering or even standing within the vicinity of structures that have been compromised within the earthquake-prone zone. It has been reported that nearly 10,000 aftershocks have occurred since the 6th of February, causing further disruptions to the already ravaged region.
Allah